on.
Oh!
That was awesome.
That was so cool, guys.
That was awesome. I don't know if you guys can see me, but that was awesome.
That was awesome.
You should record the firework going off.
I did record it. My video is literally...
It looks so dark. I'm going to focus on the beautiful fire right now.
Where's it?
Beautiful fire.
Camping in the light. Gotta get.
Okay, let's
It looks like I'm putting my hand in the fire.
Now we're doing the...
Guys, get it.
Now we're doing the... Okay, now it's the fire time.
Oh!
Oh, that's loud.
Oh my god, that is super cool. Oh my god.
Pop.
Oh,
These were the best.
wow.
Comment down below which favorite.
That is so good.
Comment down below which one's your favourite.
I really like that.
Which one is favorite?
That was
1,
super
2,
good.
3.
Good.
Now it's time for number 4 of the fire. After the fire, we're gonna react Bodhi's basic.
Yeah, let's go, Greg.
It's going on.
Get out of the way,
Wow.
It literally exploded.
Oh.
That was super
I love that.
cool. You guys will love this.
I need you to keep the fire going.
I still feel 3 pieces falling.
Okay,
I have to do it again.
Mm.
It's a little piece floating.
the fire is literally going more like
Get
fire.
back, Dad. Oh, wow.
I love
that's
it.
so beautiful.
Guys, I think you should step back.
That's okay. It's okay.
Fireworks is the
Jak tam, kochani, wieczór się podoba?
I think day number 4 will be the best. Now it's my good chance number 5.
I wonder
There
if
he
they can.
goes.
I wonder if they can see me like this.
I wonder if you can see me, guys.
You
Maybe.
can see me 100% because I have the camera facing right here.
Oh, there's another one.
Okay.
There's another one. This is the fire number 5. That looks
cool.
like
It's a lot cooler on the camera. Oh!
No to tak zrobimy te fajerwerki w ten, nie? Bo teraz
Doesn't
będą
go on
kiełbasy
for
smażyć,
very
żeby
long.
lecieć stryką, nie?
No, ale pokroić, nie?
No, czy normalnie, tak?
We are flying the fire with some tissue paper and wood and some lighter. And we are going to sing.
We're having a picture.
Hello.
We're having a picture.
Having a picture. Next one.
This is the next.
Dad!
This is firework number 6.
Wow! It's look.